Monko is thinking critically about a problem. Looks like a tricky math problem to solve. Out on a picnic, someone notices a bush shaped like an isosceles triangle. The base of the triangle is measured at 2 meters. A friend mentions that the bush has 4 triangular faces. They challenge Monko. If the total perimeter of the bush's sides is 20 meters and the base of each triangle is 2 meters, what is the slant length of the bush? Welcome to Maths No Myth, Animated Maths for All Series 1. We'll explore area and perimeter concepts. Monko recalls the challenge. Total perimeter 20 meters, triangle base 2 meters. He decides to get closer to the bush to think. What is meant by quote total perimeter? Monko decides to put on his thinking cap to solve this tricky math problem. Monko observes the bush, noting it has 4 triangular faces and 4 bases. Monko continues to consider the shape of the bush, a triangular pyramid with a base length 2 meters. Monko realizes he can't simply divide the total perimeter by 4 because the adjacent triangles share common slant lines. He refocuses on the bush's structure and the components contributing to the perimeter. A friend gives Monko a clue. Remove the baselines of the triangles and think. Monko figures out the next step. Subtract the total length of the 4 bases from the total perimeter first. His friends are pleased that Monko has correctly figured out the first step to solving the problem. Since the base of each of the 4 triangles is 2 meters, the total length of all bases is 4 times 2 meters, which is 8 meters. With a total perimeter of 20 meters, Monko calculates the total length of all slanting sides. 20 minus 8 equals 12 meters. Monko now wonders, how many slanting sides are there in total? Monko realizes that the 4 triangles share a common vertex at the top, but the slanting sides are the edges of the bush. The diagram helps illustrate that the bush has 4 slanting sides and a square base. Monko realizes there are only 4 distinct slanting sides forming the 4 triangles. To find the length of one slant side, Monko divides the total slanting side length by the number of slanting sides. 12 meters divided by 4 equals 3 meters. Monko is happy his thinking cap helped him and wants to hide it from his friends. Monko happily boasts he is a genius and proudly declares his solution. The slant height of the bush is 3 meters. Monko's friends are happy they could visualize the problem along with Monko. With critical thinking and visualization, we can solve challenging problems. Thank you for watching Animated Maths for All series. Like and subscribe for more exciting journeys together with Monko and friends.